Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, picking the right platform can make or break your stock market game. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 stock trading platforms in 2023. Spoiler, one's perfect for beginners, another for chart lovers, and one for the pros. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in.
First up, Robinhood. Known for its sleek, user-friendly interface, Robinhood revolutionized commission-free trading. Perfect if you're just starting out. Zero commission fees on stocks, ETFs, and crypto. Simple design, buy, sell in just a few taps. Fractional shares. Invest in companies like Amazon with just $1. But wait, there's a catch. Robinhood lacks advanced tools like detailed charts or retirement accounts. Still, for hassle-free trading on your phone, my top pick for beginners. Next, Webull. Imagine Robinhood but on steroids. It's commission-free too, but packed with tools for technical traders. Advanced charts, custom indicators, timeframes, and drawing tools. Extended hours. Trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. ET. Free stock bonuses. Sign up and get free stocks. Webull's learning curve is steeper, but if you love data and want more control without fees, mid-tier traders, this one's for you. Oh, and their desktop app, Fire. Last but not least, Interactive Brokers, IBKR. The gold standard for serious traders. Think global markets, ultra-low margins, and pro-level tools. Global access. Trade stocks in 30-plus countries. Institutional-grade research, from Reuters to Morningstar. Low fees, as low as $0.005 per share. IBKR isn't for everyone. The interface can feel overwhelming. But if you're day trading or managing a big portfolio, this is your powerhouse. recap. Robinhood, best for simplicity. Webull, best for technical analysis. Interactive brokers, best for professionals. Your choice depends on your goals. Drop a comment below. Which platform are you using? Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stock tips. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.